Alright, so I'm going to show you the answers to lesson 14. Line it up. What fraction is missing for number 1? So for number 1, we have 0 to 1, and in the middle we have fifths. We've got 1/5 shown, 3/5 shown, 4/5 shown. So this should be 1/5, 2/5. This cupcake is 2/5. 2/5. Number 2, here we have units of thirds. So this is 0, 1/3, 2/3, and we know that a whole is 3/3. So number 2 is 2/3. And then number 3, we have units of fourths. Here is 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So this cupcake represents 1/4.